Create the problem that we will solve using the flyweight pattern. You are going to develop a simple paint app that will have an interface and two classes in it, and the paint app class itself, which will use all these. This app will allow the end user to pass in a number, and it will draw those many number of circles and rectangles. The circle and rectangle implement the shape interface, override the draw method, and they have their own set of fields or state like radius, fill color and line color for circle. Rectangle will have length, breadth and fill style. So let's see what the problem is by implementing those interfaces and classes. Go to core patterns, right click, new, interface, shape is the interface that will go into com.bharat.patterns. The new name is flyweight. Finish. Shape will have a single method called draw. Void draw is the method. Right click on the package, create a new class called circle. Click on the add button, search for the new shape that we have created from our own package. Hit OK, finish. Circle will have its own state. That is, it will have its own fields starting with private string label, private int radius of the circle, private string, let's say fill color, the color that we are going to fill the circle with. We are not going to really do it, but we'll display it. We will print using a sysout. We are going to display all these inside the draw method. Private string line color. This is the color that will be used to draw the circle. Inside the draw method, do a sysout and print out all the fields of it. Drawing a plus the label tells what kind of shape we are drawing. We'll initialize that in the constructor. Drawing a circle, the label tells that, plus within double quotes with radius, plus display the radius field, radius, plus fill color within double quotes, the fill color, add spaces at the beginning and the end, plus fill color, plus within double quotes line color, plus line color. And inside the constructor for circle, create a public constructor. Hit Ctrl D to delete the to do. Initialize the label to circle. And for rectangle, this will be rectangle. Create the rectangle class, right click, new class, call it rectangle. Click on add, select shape again from our own package, not from java.awt. Hit OK, finish. The draw method will be similar to that of rectangle, to that of circle, but it will have its own fields. So first define the fields starting with private string label, private int length for the rectangle, private int breadth, and private, let's say, string fill style, the fill style that we want inside the rectangle. And in here we'll use a similar sysout to that of a circle. So you can grab this, come back, paste the sysout, drawing a, in this case it will be a rectangle with length. Display the length. We don't have a fill color. Breadth, use the breadth field. Finally, fill style. There is no line color here. Fill style, fill style. Do a Control Shift F to format. So you have successfully created the shape and implemented it through circle and rectangle classes. In the next lecture, you will create a paint app and use these classes and see what the problem is.